English, Grade 7.
Tape script 3.7.1. Get ready. Get ready. Get dressed. Get dressed. Comb my hair. Comb my hair. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Have a shower. Have a shower. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Tape script 3.7.2.
Hi, I'm Bopa. I wake up early in the morning. I get up at 5:30. I help my mom cook food. Then I have a shower and brush my teeth. After that, I get ready for school. I comb my hair. I get dressed and put on my school uniform. I get to school by 6:30. Then I hang out with my friends for half an hour. After that, it's school time. Am I a good student? Yes, of course.
Hi, I'm Dara. I usually wake up late in the morning. I get up at 7. Then I have a shower and brush my teeth. I sometimes have breakfast. I get ready for school and put on my school uniform. I never comb my hair. Then I run to school. I get to school at 8. Oh, I am late again. I'm a good student. Yes, of course.
Tape script 3.7.3. I wake up at 5:30. I wake up at 5:30. Then I have breakfast. Then I have breakfast. After that, I put on my school uniform. After that, I put on my school uniform. Tape script 3.7.4.
Hi, I'm Bopa. On Sunday, I get up at 9. Then I have breakfast with my mom and dad. After that, Mom and I go shopping. We go to the shop together and buy everything we need. We buy food and some clothes. Then I swim in the river with my friends. We usually have lunch there. We go home at 3. I watch TV and then help my mom cook dinner. And now it's dinner time. Yum, yum, yum.